Well, this is looking a little bit more old school, eh? The old ash cluster. Miles per hour. Kilometers. The small number. That's kind of weird for me up here. RPM and temperature and oil pressure and all that stuff. So yeah, this is the parts truck, I guess. Just because it's got the 4-liter engine in it and it's got a 5-speed manual transmission, which is pretty cool because it's got the 4 on the floor to put it into 4-wheel drive. And then we got the manual transmission here, 5-speed, and it seems to work really good actually. The shifter seems like it's in a weird spot though. 5th gear is way over there, but shifts real nice and everything. Clutch grabs real good. That all moves and works. That'd be 4 low hang there. That'd be 2 high. That would be 4 high. So anyway, it's a rough old truck, but I think it'd be pretty cool to use the drivetrain out of it. It's right full of shit. And I didn't know this at the time, but there's no back doors on it. It's got back seats, no back doors. Those windows on the back also open, which is pretty cool. But tinted windows that don't really shut. It's got a straight front axle in it, and I'll show you that in a minute. It's quite an old truck, but it's gonna be parted out, so. Outside it's a 94, so straight front end in it here. Hello. I don't know if I'm going to use that in the other truck or not. Probably won't. It's in surprisingly good shape for the year that it is, but it's still not great by any means. Brand new exhaust on it, gonna be selling that. Good rear end in it. Let you guys have a better look at it another day here. It's kind of cold out. But that's gonna be the parts truck.